Hi guys, this is me again. So now I talk English again because it's about Koreano, okay? And like I said that if I post a video about him, he asked me that I use English words. Kay mo lagi to, murag nagduda na siya sa mga Pilipino basig makaingon siya na I betrayed him, okay? So sing siya aglibak na no. So now I talk English even if I did not know English. I try my best so that di siya mag ingon nga apil ko kalibak sa iya, okay? So now this video is I answer the comment one of my friend in Facebook, or I think followers like that. So he or she asked me na I put the comment uh, here ha. So he asked me um, asa mo nag-ila, nganong nag-ila, or naloko ba na siya sa girl, or naglisod ba daw, something like ingana iyang pangutana ba. So I answer, he asked me, he asked me if did the girl betrayed, did marry the girl and Filipina girl and betrayed, or si shopper ba daw diri sa Philippines for like poor? No. I answer that. Um, we meet yung Suso in the office where I work. I did not say where is the office and what is my work. Basta my work is security guard. But I did not tell if where and what company, no. So I work in the I meet him in a workplace, and um everyone here in the office is, I think, he know man how to speak English, but the Koreano is not know how to speak English clearly, and he did not understand English clearly too. That's why I don't know why me in the office, it's only me can do all ba. So one time uh, they have problem about our office concerns ba, office concerns, and here because uh, he he is our what is that, client or subscriber or like that. So they have something problem came then our company doesn't locate him because, like I said, he did not speak uh, English well, and he did not understand English too. So uh, our company not were not locate him because of the language barrier, and he did not tell where the proper location ba, where is her proper location. So our company is suffering to her because he did not talk the proper location, and how our company help him if he did not tell what is the proper location of here, so out of him. So that's why uh, I I I I I kon ba, because he always do all ba, he always, every time he came in the office, he always came me and talk to me only, even if our office, if they have a worker. So uh, before I do that visiting in their location, before that, before he came here in the office and shouting me, I planned that already because they have other subscriber that I do it same, I do it her, but I did not do because of very busy. So it was I planned it. It was month ago before he came here and shouting me, shouting me. And you shouting me like giaway ko niya. So I decided to do the thing that I planned it because at the time I'm not busy. So I will I go to her location and see if where it the proper location. Then after that, my number, I put my number in her contact person so that me can talk to the company worker so that the problem of Yong Soso is solved it. So that's the reason why we I go always in their house. And after that, my company is properly fix it already. So why I came back again in their location? It because after that they have something like problem, and we thought that in our company to the problem. So I tried to solve it. And about the wire, so I found out that not our company is a problem. The problem is her uh, equipment. Her equipment, that's the problem, not our company. So, he think that me is her friend because I always go there even if he did not salig na sa mga Pilipino. Mm. That's why he asked me to help her, to help him. So, they have asked me to help him. Like, I did not clear explain her because it's not confidential, but it her confort like privacy ba. So, yeah. So that's why. mm, so now, and you know what, our topic every time this time, so uh, every time our topic is all about uh, her what happened to her and in the Philippines. Actually, guys, he did not marry Filipina. He did not marry Filipina, and he did not betray Filipina. And if suffering foreigners, no, this he is not poor, because if he poor, he did not buy like everything. He is not poor, and her business is selling bungo. Her business is selling bungo. If you want, if everyone in here listening me, can you allowed to visit here because he's selling bungo. So that's her business. He did not suffering for this. Okay, he have a businessman. But if we are talking about Luoy, yeah, he is Luoy because he is not a Filipino. He didn't know how to like adto diha, adto diri, and he didn't know English well, and he did not know he understand Bisaya but not all. That's why even if he have a kuan, he have a business, mailad gyapon siya no. And everything betrayed him, if workers and everything tungod kay she's very uh, great attitude. That's why murag gisakyan sa panahon ba. So Mona. So now I answer your question ha. He did not marry Filipina. He did not betray her Filipina government because he did not marry Filipina. And that's the reason why we meet up, and I help him because I don't know, because he is older uh, like that siguro, because I too much like touch my heart if they have a old, because I don't have mother, and I grew up in my lolo at lola, so that's why I think. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you for listening me. Bye.